Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over the modal features of the website quoter and agency life quoter. This feature is here to provide the best flow for your business's use of our products. I'll start by going over the modal feature in the website quoter, then move on to showing the modal feature in the agency life quoter. For the website quoter, the default mode is to have the quote results show as a list below the quote criteria. If you have the website quoter on a page by itself, this format works quite well. But in cases where the website quoter is on the same page as other content, having the quote results in this format can move the rest of the content around, which is less than ideal. A solution for this is to have the quote results open in a modal instead. This is set up by logging into dashboard.ixn.tech as an admin, then choosing Products in the menu on the left. Then choose your website quoter. On the first screen of the settings under General, you will see a checkbox to show quote results in a modal. Make sure this is checked, then save your changes. Now, if we go back and refresh our web page, you see if I run another quote, we have a different view. The quote results now show up in a pop-up modal. The layout of the web page is unchanged, and closing the modal allows the consumer to enter new quote criteria if needed. Modals are used a little differently in the agency life quoter. Each quote in the quote results of the agency life quoter has the option to have multiple quote actions. If you are linking out to another page, say your own custom form, the default setting is to have this link open in a new browser tab. In some cases, you may want the agent to stay on the same web page, so having this page open in a modal instead can be a great solution. Additionally, you can set the modal pop-up for individual quote actions, so you can have some quote actions that open in a new tab, and in the same quoter have ones that open in a modal, whichever works best for that particular workflow. This can be done by choosing your agency life quoter from the product list in the dashboard, then at the top of the page selecting quote actions. In each quote action, you will see a checkbox for opening the quote action in a modal. Check this box and save your changes. That about covers the modal features of the website quoter and agency life quoter. With this feature, you can set up your products with us with the display and flow that works best for you. If you have any questions about what I've covered today, feel free to contact our support team and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching our tutorial.